Okay, do you have worksheet 2 with you?
No, I don't have any worksheets with me.
Sorry for this class. Next class we will do everything.
Yeah, but do you have at least a soft copy? Do you have access to the soft copy? Mani, can you hear me, Mani? Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Mani, next Tuesday is a holiday.
Okay.
Therefore, you will attend next Sunday's 2:30 class instead. All right, Mani?
Wait, what? Again?
Okay, next Tuesday, can you hear me clearly, Mani?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just increase my volume. I'm not so sure why is it that you can't hear me. Okay, can you hear me clearly, Mani? Okay, would you like to turn up your volume so that you can hear me louder?
And my full volume.
Full volume. Okay, are you using what I call
iPad.
this? iPad, is it? Okay, iPad. Sometimes if you have a pair of earphones or something, it'll be good to use it lah. Okay.
1 minute, I'll bring.
Yeah, use it better. Okay.
First raise your hand.
Yes, Anirudh.
I've got my laptop ready.
Okay, you have it ready, right? The questions are there on your laptop, am I right?
Yep, they are.
So you're looking at worksheet 2 matter, right?
Yep.
Okay, so when Mani returns, right? Okay, I will go through all the materials, like familiarize you, okay? Just make you be familiar with what to do with the websites and whatnot, okay?
Okay.
Give us a minute, yeah?
தண்ணி பாட்டில் ஒன்று கொண்டு வாங்க.
Mani, can you hear me now? Mani? Okay, good. Mani, can you okay, good. You can hear me. So Mani, you are okay. Just to double check. Next Tuesday is a public holiday, Mani. Next Tuesday is a public holiday. Therefore, you will not. There's no class next Tuesday. Instead, you attend Sunday 2:30 class. Okay. Next Sunday's 2:30 class. Next Sunday, not this Sunday. Next Sunday's 2:30 class. You get it, Mani?
Okay. So next Sunday, which will be the week of Chinese New Year holiday that week.
Okay, next Sunday. Okay, you see, this Sunday is 22nd.
Yeah.
Correct? No lesson, public holiday. Next Tuesday is supposed to be a lesson, right? 24th. But it is also a public holiday. Okay, don't turn up on next Tuesday. Don't turn up next Tuesday. 24th is a holiday. Instead, you turn up for next Sunday's 29th of January's lesson. Okay, at 2 what time was it? 2:30.
2:30.
2:30 to 4 o'clock. Okay, is that clear, Mani?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let me just get all the materials up. So class, Anirudh, do you have this material right in front of you? Anirudh?
That's good.
Anirudh, do you have this material with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the piece of this is a worksheet that you should have attempted before the class lah. Okay, and if you have questions, we will go through it today. And on top of that, we have to go through this this website. Okay, just to show you where you can find this again. Okay, so you go to the 88 Tuition. You go to the 88 Tuition website. Okay, and then we are over here at Learn and P3, P4 Science. All right, Anirudh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so students, because Mani, we went through this last lesson, so right, you should be okay with it. So this is more for Anirudh. Okay, first time seeing him. So today we're doing lesson 35, matter 2. Okay.
That means lesson 34 until lesson 34 is completed.
Lesson 34, I went through it already last week.
Oh,
Okay, so today we're doing this one matter 2, all right?
excuse me, I'm asking like from lesson 1 to lesson 34 is completed already.
Oh, lesson 1 to 34 on don't okay, this one lesson to 1 to 34, huh? This one lesson 1 to 33, if I recall, let me see 33, it's not for primary 4,
I
not for
see.
primary 4. Last
Okay.
week that is the first lesson for primary 4 and we started with lesson 34. Okay, so
Okay,
1
I
to 33 is primary 3 stuff.
I got you. Okay.
So don't not to worry. Okay, it's not like wow, you missed
Thank
out
you.
33
Thank
lessons.
you.
No, it's not that. Okay,
Okay,
so last lesson was the first for primary 4 and we did lesson 34. So today we're doing 35. All right,
that's
so
great. Okay.
so by right, okay, you should have clicked on lesson 30 before the class before today. You should have
Mr.
yes, Money.
I still have last week's work. Should I be continuing from that, or are we doing
Yes,
something
we
different?
will continue from that, Money. Thanks. Okay, we'll continue from there. Okay, so now this is just to explain to Anirudh how everything works. Okay, so today we'll definitely be going through part of the video. This one, we're definitely going through part of this video, but not the whole thing, lah. Because no point playing this video again when you should have watched it on your own. Okay, I'll go through certain parts, no selected parts. Then we'll do the tutorial question. Okay, so this is the video just to show Anirudh. Okay. All this, okay, today's video is more of answering technique, okay, answering technique, the exam smart strategies, okay. And last week's question, all right, okay, very good, okay, thanks Money for reminding me. Last week we have the tutorial that we have to go through, right? So let me just double check. Anirudh, do you have last week's work? Week
No,
34, this
no.
one, week worksheet 1, do you have it?
No, we don't.
We have the current one now.
You have the current one. Okay, just listen for a while lah, because we still have a bit of a few more questions from last week's work. Okay, give me a
Sure.
minute. Alex is here.
Sure. You can try answering. Okay.
Student by the name of Alex, can you on your video? Valerie, is it? Valerie? Okay. Valerie, can you hear me, Valerie?
Yeah.
Valerie, this is you belong to Sunday class, am I right? And because this Sunday is a holiday, you're attending today to make up for it, am I right? Valerie?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're still at week 1's week 34's material. Okay, so Money, can you tell me which question did I stop at last lesson?
You stopped at the question. You stopped. Yeah, we did until question 7.
7, right?
Right.
Question 7. So let's just go through. Question 7. Wait, this is worksheet 1, question 7. Okay, here. Okay, so I finished 7 already, so I should do question 8, is it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's right, question 8. Okay, cool. Valerie, can you take out this material? This is for worksheet 1 from week 34. Do you have it with you? Valerie, do you have this worksheet with you, Valerie? Okay, we are doing question 8. Okay. Okay, so have you done this question, Valerie? Okay, so all of you have done it lah. Okay, Anirudh, just bear with us for a minute, okay, or just a few more minutes. Okay, we are almost done with this paper. Okay, so which of the following is not a characteristic of water vapor? Yeah, not a characteristic. So can you type your answer in the chat so that I can, encourage participation? Yes, Anirudh?
Can I also answer by speaking, or you have
You can type in the chat. Anirudh is better so that I can see everybody's answer. Okay, very good, Anirudh. Yes, Anirudh?
and where is chat?
Okay, if you look at the Zoom interface, right? Can you see the chat button? Do you see this? I just said good afternoon
Oh,
to
there, I
everybody.
see it, Mom.
Yeah. So you can type your answer there. Okay, so Valerie and Mani, can you type your answer in the chat now so that I can check your answer?
Yeah. You can.
Valerie, where are you, Valerie?
Now, read answers and chat.
Yeah.
Can you type your answer in the chat, Valerie?
Okay.
Let me.
Okay, Valerie says it's D. Read the question carefully, Mani. Not a characteristic of water vapor, yeah? How about you, Anirudh? What's your answer?
Answer B.
Okay, that's a good try, everybody. Now let me write down some side note for everybody to include it inside, to include in your answer. Okay, so this is a guess. Can everybody write this down? Maybe I'll write it in green, okay, so that everybody can know, do something extra, yeah? Darker green, eh? And make it bigger, okay? Okay, this is a guess. So first question that you need to ask yourself, what are the characteristics of gases, of a gas? Gases, okay, one of the states of matter, okay. First of all, can you tell me, okay, Mani, does it have
What?
does it have definite volume or it can be compressed?
It can be compressed but does not have a defined volume.
Good, okay, indefinite volume. So I'm going to type it down here, okay? Indefinite volume. Okay, gases indefinite. Oops, let me just add in this. How about the shape? Is it definite shape, Valerie?
Yes.
Indefinite shape or definite shape, Valerie?
Indefinite shape.
Again, Valerie?
She said shape.
Sorry, I can't hear you, Valerie. Say it again.
Indefinite shape.
Very good, indefinite shape. So with this in mind, okay, can everybody write this down, okay, on your paper or somewhere else, okay, on a notebook, okay. So it's a gas, it has indefinite volume and indefinite shape. And if you look at the question here, it says not a characteristic, yeah, not a characteristic. Not a characteristic. Can you circle the word not here, okay? Circle the word not. So let me annotate, yeah, insert, maybe, okay, just leave it, maybe underline, okay? Drawing. Okay, underline not, okay? Not a characteristic. So you have to be very careful, okay? It can be compressed, this is correct. Okay, because it has indefinite volume. It spreads out in all directions, yes, that's